Hello guys, my name is Sai Siddharth and in this channel I'll be doing drawing tutorials, origami tutorials and much more. Today is a non-tutorial. I'll be showing my Drawer 2 drawings. So first thing you have to know is I'm a huge fan of Drawer 2. Please make sure you just see his tutorials. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, so that's the Dark Knight. That's Venom. That's Captain Marvel. That's Falcon. And then that's Black Panther. This is Iron Man Mark 45, I think, from Civil War. Okay, and then this is Mark 50, the Bleeding Edge from Infinity War. Okay, so this is Mark 85. This is the Hulkbuster. This is Hulk himself. And then this is Wasp. This is one second. Yeah. This is Ant-Man. This is Rescue Bot. This is Iron Man Mark 85. This is Ultron. This is Iron Man Mark 4. This is Captain America. This is Captain America from Endgame. This is Thor. This is Vision. This is another Vision. So this is War Machine. This thing I have to complete. So anyways, this is Science Spider. This two I have to complete. So this is Spider-Man from Homecoming. This is the upgraded suit from Far From Home. And then this is the Night Monkey. And then this is Iron Man. So just a second. There's another Iron Man over here. So this is another Iron Man. Anyway, keeping that one aside. Moving on. That's Smart Hulk. This is Gladiator Hulk. And then we have Thor. And then Captain America. And then Ronin, I guess. Or no, Ronin, I don't know. Okay, so and then we have Loki. Okay. And then we have Venom, the transforming pose. We have Spider-Man, the homemade suit. We have Spider-Man from Civil War. We have Quicksilver, I mean not him, Star-Lord, yeah. And then this is Drax. This is Rocket Raccoon. And then this is Thanos from Infinity War. This is Doctor Strange. And this is Bro Thor. This is Killmonger. This is Riot. Okay, so then this is Deadpool. Okay, this is MCU Thanos. And then this is Baby Groot. Okay, this is Baby Groot, another version. Okay, and then this is Teenage Groot. And then this is Groot, the adult Groot. This is Vulture. Okay, and then we have Ebony Maw. And then this is Corvus Glaive. This is who's this? Cull Obsidian. And then this is Proxima Midnight. Okay, and then Scarlet Witch. And then Black Widow. Okay, and then this is Thanos from Endgame. This is Mysterio. Okay, so next this is Thor from Endgame. This is Terminator, I don't know from which movie. Okay, and then this is Godzilla from King of Monsters. This is King Ghidorah. This is the Ghost from Ant-Man and the Wasp. This is I think Frozone. And then this is Violet Part, this is Dash Part, this is Jack, all of them Incredibles. This is who's that? The Mandalorian. And then this is one of my most favorite artworks in Drawer 2. So that is I am Iron Man. Iron Man in as in I am Iron Man. This is Captain Marvel. This is Talos. Both are from the movie Captain Marvel 2019. This is Ant-Man from Civil War. This is T-Rex. So just zooming in. So that's T-Rex. And then this is Indoraptor. Yeah, it's an abomination, not just the before one. This is Velociraptor, Blue the Velociraptor. This is Shazam. And then this is Shuri. Okay, so this is another one of my favorite this drawing. This is the Thanos armor. Okay, and then I have some more drawings over here. Okay, so this is Nakia from Black Panther, M'Baku from Black Panther. This was one of Rami's time lapses. So I did one from that and I just colored that. So this is different. I also did a tutorial on this one, make sure you watch that. So this one is my latest drawing. So I also will be doing drawing the Nano Gauntlet and the Infinity Gauntlet from Avengers Endgame. So thank you guys for watching.